this is 2024. We need to learn how to do some things by ourselves. You need to learn how to do your makeup, how to do your lashes, how to install your wig, how to do pedicure at home, because things are expensive. You need to cut down our expenses. But I not say you should not pamper yourself. When you feel like, just go to the spa, do your body massage, your pedicure, your manicure, your facials, waxing. But there are some things that we need to do. We need to learn how to do by ourselves, okay? To cut down, especially if you are trying to spend on a budget, okay? Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be talking about things you need to maintain and style your coily and straight wig. Things you need, products you need to style your coily and maintain your straight hair. If you're yet to subscribe, click that subscribe button, like, subscribe, share, and comment. Let's dive right to today's video. Number one on my list is this hair mousse. I don't know if you can see it. It is called Above Ultra Old Hair Mousse or Hair Mousse. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but please just take it like that. This is very nice. You can use it for your braids, all these knotless braid, boho braids. You can use it for your wig and all that. But I don't really like applying this on this type of hair because it dry out my wig and on my coily hair. So I just use this on my knotless, on any braid at all, and I use this to do my baby hair if I'm installing my frontal wig. So this is also very nice, and I think I got this for 1,500 naira or 2,000 naira last year December, and things are expensive now, so I don't really know the price now, but it is very, very good. You need to get this. This is very nice. Yes, another one on my list is this wax stick. This wax stick is very nice. It is a lifesaver. You don't want your wig to be flying up and down, so you need this to flatten your wig. You need it if you want to style your coily hair as well. You just apply it and you use a hot comb to like melt it and let everything look how it's supposed to look. This is very nice, and I think I got this for 2,500 naira. Yes, this last month. Wow, happy new month, guys! Happy new month! My birthday is tomorrow, May 2. I'm going to drop this video today. Yes. So this is 2,500 naira. I got this last month, and it is very nice. You need to use it to flatten down your wig. If your wig is flying somehow, just use it to flatten it down, and you use a hot comb to melt it down. This is very, very nice. Very, very nice. To maintain your straight hair, something like this, your bone straight, or yes, all straight hair, bone straight. For both human hair and human hair blend, you need a hair serum. This one right here smells so good. It is perfume hair care essential oil. This is very nice. It is a serum and also has a fragrance in it. It makes your wig smell so good. Like, this is the best, and I got this. This is the small one for 2,000 naira. But all this price depend on location. You can get it at cheap rates or at higher rates. It depends on your location. Okay, this is very nice. You need to get this for your straight hair. Like, this is so good, and it smells so good. I'm not even capping. It smells so good. I love this. And also for your coily hair, you need this bottle. This bottle, yes, I got this for 1,500 naira. But all this price, like I said, depend on your location. You can even get it cheaper. Please, if it is cheap in your area, let me know in the comment section so that I can come and buy mine. So you need this stray bottle for your coily hair. If you want to mix like your leave-in conditioner, water, and the rest, you need this for your coily hair. This is very, very nice as well. You can see they draw scissors, comb, scissors and comb, and this is 175 ml. Yes. To install your frontal hair, you need a melting band. Don't mind this one is short, but the longer one I can't find it. I will have used it in this video, but you need a melting band to lay your frontal. So you need a melting band. This one is small. It is not supposed to be small like this, or it is not always small like this small, but like this one, not cut. So you need a melting band. And also for your frontal, you can use both glue spray or a glue. I don't have the glue one right here, but I will put the picture right here. The glue lasts longer than the one I am about to show you. So if you want your frontal to last at least a week, I don't think any frontal lasts up to 2 weeks. Please, if your frontal lasts up to 2 weeks, let me know in the comments. So you need this spray. There are different products of spray, but this one is the cheapest because I'm trying to like work on a budget. So this one is the cheapest, and this is the smaller one. I think it comes in 3. We have these products are big size, medium, and small size. This is the smaller size, and it is 3,500. And the name is Butterfly Shadow. Butterfly Shadow Hard Old Air Spray. This is also nice. It's work as a melting spray, and it also work as a glue. So if you want to know how to install your frontal and all that, subscribe, because I'll be posting a lot of hair content, how to install frontal, how to reinstall frontal, everything you need to know about wig. You guys, this year I'm bringing you a lot of content that you don't even want to miss. So this product is the cheapest. They have another one. There are different products of this spray glue, but this is the one I can afford right now because I'm trying to work on a budget. Okay, and for your coily, and yes, for your coily wig, you want to refine it, you want to like let the coil stay, you want to bring out the coil, you need this product. This product right here is my favorite. I love it so much. I love it so much. This year January, I saw this product for 2,850, and by the time I bought this product last month for 4,800 naira. You can see the difference. Nigeria, how far? Which way? But if you want to refine your coils, this is so good. It is also a hair mousse, and it moisturizes the wig. This contains coconut and shea oil, which helps to moisturize the wig. It defines curls and give hold to twist out, moisturize dry hair, add body and shine, long lasting control. This is very nice. This is very nice. Okay, very, very nice. So you'll be needing a hairbrush or a comb. I don't have airbrush here. I don't have airbrush. Yes, it's not here. So you need a hairbrush. You know, we all know a hairbrush to brush your wig, to detangle your wig. And here is a tips on how to comb your wig. You guys, comb from the bottom to the top, not from the top to the bottom. Detangle your wig from the bottom to the top, not from the top to the bottom. You don't want to shred your wig, so you need to comb from the bottom to the top like this, not from the top to the bottom. Okay, you need to comb your hair from the my skin is glowing. Skin glow. So you need to comb from the bottom to the top, not from the top to the bottom. And you'll also be needing a hot comb. Hot comb is very, very important. This works with both coily hair and straight hair, frizzy coil, bone straight, all those big. This works with it. This is also so nice. And I think this works with the wax stick. You use this to melt the wax stick after applying. There is no light now. I will have shown you how to do this, but it's something you can easily do at home. Okay, if you're here to subscribe, click that subscribe button, like, subscribe, share, and comment. And also you'll be needing some scissors. There are different types of scissors, and I think I'm going to get this scissor that is trending on TikTok. This zigzag scissors. I'm going to get it. If you can get it, please get it. If you can't, just choose what you like. Okay, this is the end of today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Please subscribe and join the family. Thank you for watching up to this time. Don't forget to like, share, comment. Bye. See you guys in my next video.